Welcome to Arnott Conveyors. We've been designing, manufacturing and installing conveyor systems for over 35 years. In that time, Arnott Conveyors has become one of the UK's leading conveyor manufacturers. Working together in partnership, we serve industry clients across food, pharma, personal care, packaging and logistics sectors, delivering conveyor and automation solutions across a wide variety of applications. We offer both complete product line solutions and standard conveyor machines, and our team of highly skilled designers and engineers work together to produce extensive bespoke conveyor solutions from project concept to completion. We're strong on solving application challenges, and our industry expertise has given us extensive knowledge across big and small projects within our key industry sectors. Get in touch today. We're here to get you moving.